The first measure of central tendency you will learn is the mean, commonly known as the arithmetic average, and is computed by adding all the scores in the distribution, or computing the sum of x, and dividing by the number of scores. The mean for a population is identified by the Greek letter mu, pronounced mu, and the mean for a sample is identified by a capital letter M, or x bar. The notation for x bar is a capital X with a horizontal line or bar directly over it. When it is necessary to combine two sets of scores and then find the overall mean for the combined group, you use the formula that is shown on the slide. To calculate the overall mean, we will need two values: the overall sum of the scores for the combined group and the total number of scores in the combined group. To determine the overall sum, we will simply find the sum of the scores for the first sample and the sum of the second sample, and then add the two sums together. Similarly, the total number of scores in the combined group can be found by adding the number in the first sample and the number in the second sample. This formula is necessary because when your n's, or sample sizes, are different, it would not be appropriate to use the mean of one group or the other to represent the combined group. So this formula takes into consideration different sample sizes and generates a number, the overall or combined mean, that takes into consideration both sample sizes, which is where the term weighted comes from, because the weighted mean factors in the different sample sizes. Mathematically, changes made to the scores in a data set result in a predictable, consistent changes to the total of the scores, the sum of x, as well as the mean values that are generated by the formula. Clicking on the link located right next to the link to this video on the Blackboard course site will take you to a worked example of the characteristics listed on the slide.